You keep hearing the same advice over and over. Start a personal brand, sell a course, become a coach. But most people don't want to become influencers. You know, they just want to make more money. And if that's you, you're gonna love this video because I did some digging and found 9 machines that are quickly making people rich. So in this video, I'm gonna break down what they are, what they do, how much they are, and how you can use them to make real money on your own terms. And be sure to stick around, guys, because I'm saving the best one for last. All right, you guys ready to get into it? Let's go. All right, starting with number 9, this machine removes rust like magic. It's called a laser cleaner. And if you've never seen one of these in action, get ready. So watching rust, paint, or corrosion disappear in seconds is one of the most satisfying things ever. But this isn't just cool to watch. It's something people are using to build real businesses. So here's how it works. The laser cleaner uses concentrated laser beams to literally burn off rust, paint, grease, or corrosion from metal surfaces. No chemicals, no sandblasting. Just a clean, restored surface in seconds, without damaging the metal underneath. And people are turning this into a high demand service. Many have started mobile rust removal businesses offering on-site cleaning for cars and trailers, metal gates and fences, tools, machinery, and more. And they're charging anywhere from $100 to $500 per job, depending on the size and condition of the surface. Now another option, subcontracting. Team up with painters, auto shops, or construction crews who need clean metal before they paint or weld, and you handle the prep, they finish the job a lot faster. And because this machine is an investment, people are also renting it out. You can offer it to local shops or contractors for $250 to $500 a day and easily get repeat business. Want another income stream? Just hit record. Because watching this machine work is so satisfying, creators are building monetized YouTube and TikTok channels just showing rust removal in action. And it's content people love to watch, and it's free marketing to attract new clients. If you're restoring vintage cars, antiques, or collectibles, this can land you premium customers who are willing to pay top dollar to have their items cleaned safely. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. Now, not every machine on this list is this price range, but the potential return makes it a smart investment if you're serious about making money. Number 8 is a balloon stuffing machine that lets you put gifts inside of balloons like teddy bears, candy, baby clothes, gift cards, money, and more. Literally anything that fits. Now it works by inflating a large stretchy balloon inside a chamber, and the machine holds it open so you can safely insert items without popping it. Once it's filled, you seal it, decorate it, and boom, you've got a custom gift balloon. And people are building small businesses around this by selling custom gift balloons for baby showers, birthdays, Valentine's Day, holidays like Christmas and Easter, and it also works for graduations. They're charging anywhere from $25 to $100 per balloon, depending on what's inside and how it's decorated. And you can also partner with event planners or florists. And depending on demand, this could make you a nice extra $2,000 to $4,000 a month working part-time. And this machine costs $399, and I'm gonna link it below. Number 7, if you've ever seen cakes or cookies with detailed photos, logos, or cartoon characters printed right on the top, they were probably made with a machine like this. It's called the Ink Edibles CakePro-QUATRO, and it's an edible ink printer that lets you print directly onto cakes, cookies, cupcakes, and more. And yes, people are making real money with this. This CakePro works just like a regular printer, except instead of ink, it uses FDA-approved edible ink, and instead of paper, you're printing on frosting sheets, wafer paper, or directly on the cookie or cake. You load your design, insert your treat or edible sheet, and hit print. And in seconds, you got a professional custom design that's completely edible. Now here's how people are using it to make money. They're selling personalized treats for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and holidays, corporate orders where they're printing company logos for branded cupcakes or cookies, and party favors. Create edible images for themed events, school fundraisers, or baby gender reveals. And this company bought the printer and are now making 6 figures a year in their business. Now this machine runs on the pricier side between $2,495 to $5,900. So I reached out and told them that I wanted to include them in my video and they could give my viewers a discount. And they agreed. So if you are interested in this, they are giving all my viewers 10% off and with a code below. So I'll put that in the description below. Number 6 is called the Addy Express. Now this is a machine where you no longer have to spend hours knitting or even know how to knit. You can craft everything from cozy sweaters to stylish beanies, and the beanies are my absolute favorite. Like, look at some of these that people have made and posted on Amazon. These are really nice and something that I would buy. It's nothing like wearing a cute beanie, and you can even personalize them. Now this machine costs a little over $100, and you could definitely get your money back if you're selling beanies. Number 5 is called the Glowforge Aura, and if you're crafty or creative, this could be your next income stream. Now the Glowforge Aura is a compact laser cutter and engraver that works with materials like wood, acrylic, leather, paper, and even some food items. You just upload a design, place your material inside the machine, and press print. It uses a high precision laser to cut, engrave, or score your design exactly as you see it on screen, right from your desk. And here's how people are turning the Glowforge Aura into a business. So they're creating custom gifts where you're putting names on cutting boards, engraved jewelry, wood signs, ornaments, bookmarks, and event decor, where they are doing things like cake toppers, wedding signage, and centerpieces. For the home decor space, they're doing personalized keychains, layered wall art, coasters, plant markers, and you can do crock charms, which my kids are obsessed with. And this guy made $30,000 selling these personalized monograms, selling them for $30 each. And he has sold over 1,000 of them. And this Etsy shop also generated $37,000 in 1 month. They did so well that they're taking a break. Now, a big hit of theirs were doing these advent calendars. And my plan is to get one for myself so I can teach my kids how to run a small business and do this on their own too. And these run between $1,200 to $5,000. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Number 4 is also one helping people make real money from home. And it's no inventory, no bulk orders, and no need for a storefront. It's called the Pro-Color DTF printer. And if you're thinking about starting a clothing line or a custom product business, you're gonna wanna see this. So what is DTF? DTF stands for direct to film. So it's a printing method where you print your design onto a special film, apply a powder, heat it up, and then you press that design onto fabric using a heat press. And here's why people love this DTF printer, because you can easily print any design, no matter how detailed or colorful. It works on cotton, polyester, blends, light or dark fabrics, and you get bright, professional quality results without the complicated setup with vinyl or screen printing. And the Pro-Color DTF printer is one of the most beginner-friendly and affordable options on the market. So here's how creators and small business owners are turning this into a real income. They're creating custom t-shirts. So they're making shirts for birthdays, bachelorette parties, family reunions, and small businesses. I mean, you name it, they can create it. You can also sell the transfer only. So if you don't want to sell shirts, you don't have to. Just sell the printed transfer to other small business owners so they can press it themselves. And you can also offer drop-off print services. This is a game changer because schools or teams often need last-minute shirts when someone misses a deadline, like me as a parent. And with a DTF, you can offer one-offs. So there's no need to meet a 100 shirt minimum like most print shops. And the best part, you can print on demand, which means no bulk buying, no extra inventory, and no wasted money. Most sellers charge $20 to $35 per shirt. That's common. And materials usually cost just a few bucks. That means profit margins are high, and that adds up fast. So depending on your niche and how many orders you get, people are making anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month using this printer alone. Now the Pro-Color DTF printers usually cost between $1,800 to $6,000 depending on the size and features. It's an investment, but if you use it, it can easily pay for itself and become a steady income stream. Number 3, this sleek little setup, it's called the Salsa 2 photo booth, and people are renting it out and making thousands of dollars every month on autopilot. You no longer have to sit at events and run them like the 360 photo booths that you've seen before. With the Salsa 2, you get a modern all-digital photo booth that's portable, easy to set up, and requires no photography background. I was just at an event and we used it and we loved it. It uses an iPad to take high-quality photos, boomerangs, and videos. Guests can send the images straight to their phone via text, email, or AirDrop. There's no prints needed and no cables needed. So here's how people are turning this into a passive rental business. So for weddings and parties, they're renting it out for $400 to $1,200 per event. Corporate events, companies love photo booths for team events, branding, and conferences. Baby showers, graduations, proms, I mean, you name it. The demand is nonstop. You can also have multiple units, so multiple streams. Some owners scale by renting out 2 to 3 units at a time. And the best part, You can set it up, let it run, and pick it up after the event, earning money while you're enjoying your own weekend, doing whatever else you're doing. So let's say you rent it out for $700 per event and do just 4 events a month. That's $2,800 a month from a single machine. Some users make $5,000 to $10,000 a month during a busy season, especially if they package it with other event services. Now the Salsa photo booth costs around $3,000, and I'm gonna link it below. Number 2, this next machine made this college student $500,000 in 2 years building these on Etsy. Now what machine is that? It's a CNC printer. This machine is incredible. It can automate wood carving and creates intricate designs and products from wood. Now to do well, you want to find a specific niche like this college student. Another design from this guy that made him $1.2 million on Etsy was selling these outdoor coolers, which is complete genius. Who would have thought about that? The point is to think outside the box. Now I love how he targeted this product to real estate agents to give as gift ideas to their clients. See how he has it listed here on Etsy. The realtor closing gift, or a housewarming gift, or a backyard party. He gave you all the reasons why you should purchase this. The point is to create something that people want to buy. The most popular product categories to make money doing this is home decor. So you can do bookends, wall art, shelving, furniture, kitchen items like cutting boards, wooden utensils, coasters, custom signage, toys, and games. Now this machine has an investment of $1,300 to $4,000. And I'm gonna link it below. Last but not least is a machine that can create whatever you can think of, and it's called the Creality K2+, and it's one of the best 3D printers out there right now in the market. Now the Creality K2+ is a high-speed 3D printer with AI-powered features. You upload your 3D design, press start, and it prints it out. Whether you're printing toys, tools, decor, prototypes for inventors, or parts, it handles it with incredible detail and speed. Looking at the incredible things that people have made with 3D printers is just out of this world. I love watching these videos. It's amazing. This guy is outside literally creating planners in front of people's faces and selling them right on the spot. That's how cool this is. That's how you can literally do so many different things to make money with this tool. So let's say you sell custom items for $10 to $50 each. If you sell just 10 a day, you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 a month. And many Etsy sellers with a solid niche are doing even more. This machine is priced around $599 to $699, and I'm gonna put the link in the description below. So there you have it. Which machine would you want to get started making money with? Let me know in the comment section. And I also created a free wealth blueprint for those that stick around until the end of my videos. And this guy is the blueprint to how you can make more money, because isn't that the goal? So I want you guys to download the guide and see how it would change your life, because I know it changed mine, so that's why I'm sharing it with you. And I love to see who sticks around to the end of my video. So if you're still here, somehow insert the word wow in your comment below. If you guys want to see another way to make money, check out this video right here. You're gonna love it. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.